Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy and today I'm going to be bringing to you my week 1 unboxing for the spring-summer 2019 season. Now unfortunately I don't think that one of my items has arrived. I received 3 emails saying that your items have been shipped. However, come this morning, only 2 have arrived. The email said on the other item, which is the beanie, that it was out for delivery as well. But yeah, nothing has happened with that, so I don't think it is going to come today. So I'll have to unbox that for maybe like my week 2 items. If I get items or an item from week 2, then I'll be doing an unboxing on that. Other than that, to make up for the fact that we don't have the beanie, I have another item to unbox, which I have held on to for about 2.5 weeks now in anticipation for this unboxing. So, as per normal, let me know down below if your items have arrived yet. If they have, what did you cop? What colorway? What size? If you got an accessory, what accessory did you get? If you got a skateboard deck, what skateboard deck did you get? And if you got a hat or anything else, or a bag or something like that, comment down below. And are you going to be stocking, rocking, or reselling what you picked up, or have you already sold on what you've picked up? Other than that, if your item has not arrived yet, do you have a shipping email or do you just have your order confirmation? And apart from that, let's just get into this unboxing. Also, I want to know if people got all of the bits and pieces today. Bits and pieces, I mean like all of the stickers and the shower cap and everything with their order, because there are quite a couple of stickers that have come out this week, including a box logo sticker. And obviously the shower cap is just going to be our free gift for this season. So let's just get into this. Anticlimactic. Okay, so obviously my box for the skateboard deck looks a bit damaged, but that should be fine. So we're going to start off with the item that is not from this week, and then yeah, unbox the other 2 items, because that's the way to go about it. So I still have not got anything as like in the sense of being able to open packages. So I've literally, as you saw, just got a pair of little scissors out, because that seems like it's going to be the easiest thing to do. So this is a tee. Just need a pigeon fly by. This is a tee. This tee came out, I believe it was fall winter 14, and it's by the artist Raymond Pettibon, or I really just want to pronounce their name correctly, but I probably haven't. So anyway, if these would open, I think I can actually just rip this. It's by that artist, and I basically just saw it on Facebook. I thought to myself, like, I would like to just build up my collection from just buying things that I see, because some things from the new season, like the tees and things, can be up to like £54 or £55, whereas if I can get a tee from 4 or 5 years ago for £30 or £35 or £25, it just seems like I could build my collection a lot better, with a lot more items included and a lot more from different seasons just by doing so. But I just nearly cut through the tee. I felt like I nearly just cut through this. Okay, so anyway, being nice and safe as that is. So here is the piece itself. I believe it's just called the Bang tee, because literally it's the bird holding a gun that shoots bang and the person's shot them. So yeah, it's self-explanatory basically at the end. And then on the back, like some of the artist collabs that you do have, it's got the signature or the name right there. So yeah, overall I think it's just a nice tee, and yeah, it's just going to join into my collection, so I'll just sit it there safely. I really do want to just pick up a load more tees and things over like the next couple of months, because I think that's how my brother basically built his collection up to what it was when I last recorded a video going through his collection, because he would literally just find tees or anything for like £30, 40 or £50, or sometimes like 15 or £20, and he would just buy it straight away and just add it into his collection. So let's go into the next thing, which will be the tee, and then we will go on to the final piece. I'm gonna have to try and take the label off, because yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to cut the sides to open it. I don't really want to turn it because I could damage it and stuff, so I'll cut to you when the label is gone. Okay, there we go, that's the best that I can do with that. So Next item is going to be the Christopher Walken King of New York tee. Now, I was told that I should probably just sell this on as soon as I get it or I have it in hand, just because of the pure fact that it probably won't have any crazy value to it. However, I think I'm just going to store it away and just keep it safe in the end. I was thinking about possibly getting a tee to wear, but yeah, that's just gone out. Okay, I can't rip this. That's just like gone out the window at this point in time. I was thinking about getting the knot tee to do that, to wear, but oh well. So, nice and simple. And I believe that is a box logo sticker pack. Please be a box logo sticker. It is. Okay, cool. So, first thing, the freebie being the shower cap, which for some reason is sealed at the top but open at the bottom, which is a bit dumb, but that looks really cool. I'll probably get the next one out, so I'll keep that one dead stock and get the next one out. So, sticker pack, we have the middle finger to the world and the Lena and the Swan box logo sticker, as well as a normal red box logo sticker. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I wish it was just by itself and not in a sticker pack, but oh well. If you don't know what Lena and the Swan is, fun fact, you know, I don't think anyone wants to know. It's basically Zeus. Yeah, that's it. I'll just leave it as that, because I shouldn't just go into detail about things like that. So anyway, the King of New York tee. So you can't really see any of the text or anything. The graphic is actually huge. I didn't expect it to be that big on the actual piece. I thought, if I bring this up close, I thought that the actual graphic or the imagery was going to be quite small, but it's actually huge on it. It's almost like the size of the Smile tee that we had from Fall Winter. Damn. Yeah, I was actually expecting it to be like a small graphic, like, what can I say? Almost like the Killer collab sort of thing, like just around the mid-chest area and that's it. But this looks like it actually covers all the way down, and the text is actually shiny. If I just like highlight that, if you can see there, the text is like a shiny metallic look. And yes, I know there'll be probably people saying, why don't you just get it out? I really would just rather store it, to be honest, because that's just what I do with some things. I just store them and sell them at other points in time. Sometimes I make a profit, sometimes I don't, but that is what happens. This is going to take me ages to open. I've just realised, so I'm going to cut to it being open. I may not open things in the most clean of ways, but still, okay, yeah, they still get opened in the end. This isn't going well. There we go. Ooh, I nearly cut the deck. I'm terrible at unboxing things, seriously. Okay, it's open, right. First off, we've got another sticker pack, this time with the front, I believe it is, or it's called the front sticker, and then the middle finger to the world. There is no King of New York sticker, unfortunately. Hopefully I get one in the next item, but yeah, unfortunately not with this. So let's pull this out. With this, if it doesn't look how I was expecting it to, I might possibly sell it on or just sell it. If it looks better than I was thinking, then I won't do so. Where is the free gift? No free gift in this one. What? Oh no, it's there, it's there, it's there. I got it. Really beat up, but I got it. So, skateboard deck. You can look at it before I do, if I'm holding it the right way around. So I will look at it in a second. So obviously it says the world famous. I've got a sticker on the inside. Airbrushed floral skateboard deck in white. I wanted the black colourway, but oh well. And yeah. Okay, yeah, it does look pretty cool. I would have preferred the black colourway, but that does look pretty cool. I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm happy. It can join the collection. I'm happy with it. That's a cool deck. Obviously, I messed up going for the other colourway, but yeah, that's my own fault. So let's get this free gift out from this season. a literal shower cap. I mean, no, I'm good. I'm good. I was going to wear that just because, but no, I'm good. You might see it as part of the thumbnail, but that one will be my personal one. This one will be the one to store away with all of the other freebies that I've got. So that is going to cover this video. If you enjoyed it, like, be much appreciated. Other than that, thank you for nearly hitting like 7,800 subscribers. We've gone up like 100 and a bit over the last couple of days, so I really do appreciate that. And we're edging ever so closer to like 10k, which is amazing. So yeah, if you'd like, I could record a video going over my brother's Supreme accessory, his collection, I mean, for this weekend. And hopefully if he has his pieces, then obviously he could either unbox them or show you what he picked up already from this season. Because he told me that he spent over £200. He didn't get the Formula crew neck, but he spent over £200. So let's just see what he gets. And yeah, other than that, I will probably see you for that video. Yeah, there's not much else to say or that I can say. I do at this point probably regret not going for the Formula crew neck or sweatshirt, just because of the fact that I was sent a picture on Twitter through the DMs obviously of someone's navy colorway, and it does look really clean, but oh well, that's my own issue. So thank you for watching. I will see you all next time. Peace.